Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful low bun hairstyle. To start, we're going to divide the front sections of hair, so start from the top of the head and work your way down to just behind the ear and clip these out of the way for later. Do this on both sides of the head. Next, apply some texturising powder to the roots of the hair around the crown area. Next, section the hair from ear to ear and pop it in a small elastic band. Use your fingers to pinch and pull at the crown area to create nice messy volume. Next, take a hair donut and slip it onto that small ponytail we've just created and attach this to the head using a few bobby pins. Release those front sections and leave a little bit of hair out around the hairline to soften the look. And all you want to do is just twist these towards the head and then apply some texture spray and pinch and pull at that twist just to make it nice and fluffy. Take this around to the opposite side of the donut and pin to the head using a couple of bobby pins. And then just do exactly the same on the other side. So twist it towards the head, apply some texture spray and really pull apart that twist. Drape it over the top of the donut and pin to the opposite side. Next, take a small section of hair to the left hand side of the donut and again twist this towards the head and drape it across the top of the donut. Apply some more texture spray to that twist and pinch and pull at it to make it nice and voluminous. And then just pin it to the right hand side of that donut using a couple of bobby pins. Then repeat on the opposite side, so take a chunk of hair from the right hand side of the donut, twist it towards the head and apply some texture spray. Pinch and pull at that twist to make it nice and big and then pin to the left hand side of the donut. Use some bobby pins to stop your twist from drooping and it will just help cover that donut a little better. Next, move that little ponytail out the way and split the remaining hair in half. Twist this up and towards the head, apply some texture spray and really pull apart that twist. And then pin it over to the left hand side of the donut. Use your bobby pins to help you cover that donut so you can't see any of the padding. So just rearrange that twist by adding a couple of bobby pins to help everything stay covered. And then just repeat the same with the hair that's hanging down on the left hand side. If you've got any little tail ends hanging down, just loop these around the donut and pin so you can't see them. Once you've got everything pinned, we're going to work on that ponytail section, and we're just going to create a simple rope braid. So split the ponytail in half, twist both sections towards the left, but cross them over each other towards the right hand side. Tie this off with a clear elastic band, and then apply some texture spray and really pull apart that twist to give it a nice messy look. Next, grab the end of that rope braid and just twist it up until it reaches the donut. Hold it there and just pin into place using as many bobby pins as needed. Just spend a couple of minutes with some hairspray, just neatening everything up, and just to lift the areas at the crown to give it a nice messy look. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.